This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, a smartwatch for those who either live or want to start living an active lifestyle or simply want a smart fitness tracker. This device does a lot more than that, as it is just packed with features. I've used the Galaxy Watch Active for a while now, and here's my long-term review. Even though this is not a fresh review, let's do a quick unboxing. Inside the packaging, you get a wireless charger, an extra strap, and some paperwork. As the name implies, this watch is designed for the active lifestyle, meaning it's all about comfort, lightweight, and small footprint. I found the Galaxy Watch Active to be really comfortable to wear no matter what exercises I was doing. It didn't bother me while I was playing basketball either, which is not the case with some other trackers I've tested. A 20mm silicone strap might not be the most stylish out there, but it's nice to the skin even after hours of wearing the watch. Speaking of style, the Active looks nice and it's well built thanks to high quality metal case, but if you want a fancier look, I suggest you go with a regular Galaxy Watch that has a signature rotating bezel and less sporty look. I've made a review of it quite a while ago, and you'll find the link to the video down below. Even though I didn't put a lot of effort taking care of it, the watch looks almost like new. There are just a few minor scratches. A rubber band held up pretty well too. You can easily swap the wristbands if they are not comfortable to you or you simply want to change the look of your watch. The display is one of the favorite features of the watch. A Super AMOLED panel is really sharp and vivid, and is easily viewable outdoors, even on the brightest days. I'm yet to scratch the display thanks to the Gorilla Glass 3 protective layer. Same as the Galaxy Watch, the Active is 5ATM, IP68 and MIL STD 810G certified, meaning that it works underwater and it is rugged enough to survive a few accidental drops. If you have seen my Galaxy Watch review, you know how much I love the rotating bezel that makes navigating through the UI a breeze. The Watch Active does not have it, meaning that you'll need to get used to the swipes on a tiny touchscreen display, which can be cumbersome at times, especially if you want to select a particular app. If you love physical keys on watches, you'll enjoy using nice and tactile buttons. The upper key takes you back, and the lower button takes you home or opens up the app tray. If you double press it, you'll open up the Bixby voice assistant. If you don't like Bixby, you can always remap this button. I don't really like talking about specifications on smartwatches, but I wish the device had more than 4GB of internal storage. On the other hand, I didn't fill up the internal hard drive yet, as I mostly use online streaming services. Same as the Galaxy Watch, the Active version has all the connectivity options you would ever need. It has Wi-Fi, GPS and NFC, so you can use it with a Samsung Pay, if the service is available in your country. What is a little bit frustrating is that the watch uses the Bluetooth 4.2, not the latest Bluetooth 5, which has significantly better range. Another frustration, the watch has a built-in mic, but you can neither make nor receive calls directly on the watch, as there is no built-in loudspeaker. Well, you get notification about the incoming call, but the watch will tell you to use your phone after accepting it. Same as the Galaxy Watch, the Active model runs on the Samsung's Tizen OS 4.0, which is packed with features and customization options. That means that you can select from plenty of different watch faces, customize them, or download the new ones. As far as notifications go, they work very well with each app I use, including Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. You can also listen to music thanks to the built-in 4GB of internal storage, and I like connecting the watch to one of my Bluetooth earphones, so I don't need to bring my phone with me when I'm exercising. I usually download offline Spotify playlists, which is a really neat feature. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active has all sorts of apps, and you can always download the new ones from the Galaxy App Store. The S-Health app makes the Galaxy Watch Active a true fitness companion, and it motivates you to be more active. You can select from a huge variety of activities, and the watch measures your heart rate manually or automatically. Also, the Galaxy Watch Active tracks your steps, floors climbed, calories burned, and distance walked very accurately thanks to the pedometer, GPS, and other sensors. I also like that all the activities, including steps, sync automatically with my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. For example, if I leave the watch at home but bring the phone with me, the number of steps taken will be combined. My favorite feature of the watch is that it automatically detects workouts even when you're walking on a fast pace. However, it doesn't mean that the watch will recognize an exact activity you do. For example, if you start running and jumping or playing basketball, it will record as dynamic or other workout. If you select a particular exercise you're about to do manually, the watch will track the number of reps and sets you take pretty accurately. However, this feature is not perfect. While it's great that it tracks arm curls or bench presses accurately, it does not count the reps of simple push-ups, which is one of the most basic and popular exercises. The watch will measure your heart rate and calories burned instead. These are just a few fitness and health-related features. The watch has a lot more to offer. I also like that the Tizen UI is fast and responsive all the time. The Galaxy Watch Active never lags or stutters, and the overall performance is great. I didn't have any issues syncing the watch with my phone using the Samsung Wearable app, which works both on Android and iOS devices, including the latest iPhones. Within the app, you can find all the information about the watch, choose from a huge variety of watch faces to download, adjust a lot of different settings, send content and apps to the watch, and so on. You can also track your fitness routines in detail using the Samsung Health app. I like the interface of this application as it shows detailed stats and it syncs with the watch seamlessly. The battery life is one of the weakest sides of the Galaxy Watch Active. Under my usage, I had to charge the watch every 2 days, which is definitely not the best result. The device ships with a wireless charger that fully charges the watch in less than 2 hours. It's a bit strange that the watch is not compatible with other wireless chargers I've tested it with. On the other hand, my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus can charge it wirelessly, meaning that I don't need to bring the charger with me while I'm on the go. Overall, I really like the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active even though it's not perfect. The main flaw is that the device has a built-in mic, but you can neither make nor receive calls directly on the watch as there is no built-in loudspeaker. I also wish the watch had the latest Bluetooth 5, which has significantly better range. In addition, smartwatches should have more than 4 GB of internal storage in 2019. If you decide to get the Galaxy Watch Active, you should be ready to charge it every 2 or maximum 3 days, but that is because the watch is just packed with features and it has one of the best displays out there. You also get plenty of sensors, GPS, simple yet intuitive user interface, seamless integration with the smartphone, and plenty of advanced fitness tracking features. Further, I like a sporty and minimal design, and last but not least, the watch is really comfortable to wear for hours, which is not the case with all fitness trackers I've tested. At the end of the day, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active is not perfect, but I still think it's the most feature-packed, nice-looking, and advanced smartwatches you can buy for less than $200 US. Tell me in the comment section if you agree with me or not, and tell me why. Drop me a comment down below, and also if you subscribe to the channel, I would be really grateful as these videos take days to produce. It was Linus, thank you for watching, and see you soon.